Hello and welcome back. Today we are drawing a van. V for van. Let's start with the wheels. Make a big circle. Same for the other wheel. Now two smaller circles inside them. Another one. And now join them using a straight line. So keep a scale and we'll take the lines all the way back. So one line, skip the wheels, extend it to the back, and then bring it to the front as well. Here. Now we'll draw a straight line up. This is the front of our van. A slant line here and another slant line. Now soft curve and straight line to the back. Now soft curves on top and bottom. And join them with a straight line. Now a straight line just above our wheels so that the van looks good. And take it all the way back, similar to how we did before. Now circular outline above the wheel. One and another circular outline. Good. Now we'll draw the window. Soft edges, top and bottom. And straight line to the back. One more, short straight lines. Again soft edges. And then join them. Now we'll draw the spare wheel. So two small lines behind our van. 1, 2. Join them with a straight line. Now we are drawing a soft rectangle. So soft edges, again soft corner, straight line ahead. Then two more soft corners and join them. Now final window. So straight line, soft corners, again straight lines. Soft corners and join. This is your van. Looks good and rides even better. Now how do we draw the letter V? We start with a slant line, then another slant line from its bottom to the top. This is the letter V. V is for van. Excellent work. See you in the next one.